Making everyone happy is our #1 priority, so when someone takes the time and writes us an awesome 5-star review complimenting our great service, we'd love to share it. Here's what they had to say. We're really motivated to hear we've made so many people happy. We work with everyone individually to reach our 5-star service goal. Our approach really is one experience at a time. It's that simple. Find out why everyone values their experience with us so much they keep coming back over and over again. We're proud to say we've earned our glowing reviews one at a time. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Call us today at the number on your screen.